Okay, you got your garage door opener, clicking it, and it's not opening. So I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in this garage door opener. So this is our garage door opener. It's a LiftMaster. It's pretty old. So what you're going to do to open it is, see, turn it over here. Okay, can you see this little groove right there? That little groove, we have to open it. Sometimes you could do it with your nails, but I get a little tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you need to. And just go around and put the tool in and just kind of separate the two parts. Okay, we got it there. And so there's two parts. That part here is the control panel. It's got 3 push buttons. And then over here is the guts, and right there is the battery. So let's just take the battery out, get our little tool. You could use your fingers if you like. Okay, now we got it out. And if you notice right here, the type of battery is a CR2032 3-volt. And so that's what we're going to replace. So we're going to replace it, see, 2032, right there. So I'm just going to take a battery out of here, get our little tool, and just kind of peel off the plastic. And when you take the battery out, notice that the printing side was up. When we took it out of the garage door opener, the printing side was up, so we're going to put it back the same way. Just snaps right in there. And then we're going to put the top back on. I want to show you. See, there's the 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3 there. That corresponds to the panel right there, 3 buttons there. So you just kind of put it on, line up the corners, and then you just kind of click it back in. It's all in. Okay, it's all in. Now let's test it out, see if it works. Okay, press it. Aha! Perfect. Okay, thank you for watching.